Hey everybody, Jason here. Welcome to my channel focused on learning how to tie knots. In this video, we're going to have a look at the anchor hitch knot. So the anchor hitch knot is a relatively easy knot to tie, yet I've categorized it in with the intermediate level knots. You can find the anchor hitch in my other video, 9 knots that you should know. I'll add a link to that video in the description and at the end of this video. But for now, let's head into the work table and take a look at how to tie the anchor hitch knot. The anchor hitch is also known as the anchor bend. It isn't technically a bend, so I'll be referring to it as the anchor hitch. The anchor hitch is a very useful knot that doesn't loosen under moderate motion, which makes it ideal for applications such as boat anchorage. Small craft typically attach anchors by means of a rope, and the anchor hitch is a great choice for such applications. So let's now have a look at how to tie the anchor hitch knot. To tie the anchor hitch, begin by taking your working end and pass it around your anchor point twice. From there, pass your working end behind your standing line and then through your 2 wraps. Continue by bringing the working end behind the standing line again and wrap upward 1 turn, feeding the end behind the working part. From there, simply snug up the knot as needed. Okay, so let's have another look at how to tie the anchor hitch knot. The anchor hitch is similar to the round turn and 2 half hitches knot. I'm going to provide a link in the description so you can have a look and make the comparison. There are many different hitch knots out there, but the anchor hitch has become one of my favorites. So there you have it, the anchor hitch knot. Now as promised, here's a link to the 9 knots you should know. And if you like this video, please give it the thumbs up, leave a comment, and help me build my channel simply by subscribing. Okay? Thanks for watching.